Hey, it's John the Pool Expert, and today we're going to be installing all this pool equipment with Weld-On glue and primer. I've got a Weld-On 704 PVC. This one is pool rated, and it's clear. It's medium viscosity. Um, it's going to prevent colored glue from dripping onto the concrete. Anytime I'm doing an above ground pool installation for the pool equipment, I like to use clear because when I drip it, it doesn't leave a mark. Also, I'm going to be using the PC64 Primer Conditioner. This is a conditioner. It cleans off the oil and the grease off of pipe, and it also primes it, which makes the pipe a little soft so it adheres better. So these are the ones I'm going to be using today. It's normally what I use to install all this pool equipment, and we'll see how it all comes out.